Welcome to week two of the class. Hopefully last week went well for you and you're getting used to the structure of the course. Week two is going to be probably the most important week of the semester. Um, Last week we were introduced to this idea of the derivative, and um, the process for finding a derivative, it might have been a little bit painful for you, I'm going to be honest. And what we're going to learn this week is some shortcut ways to find the derivative of a function. And so there's a lot of rules. You'll see in each section there are different rules. Section 9.4 is our basic derivative rules, how we can quickly find one, and it mainly involves uh, uh, working with the powers and manipulating some things there. Section 9.5 is the product and quotient rules, and this is how we take a derivative of something when it's two functions being multiplied together, or maybe they're in a fraction, being divided by each other. 9.6 is called the chain rule, which again, it's different than the other ones, but what we're finding is ways that we can do the derivative of functions so we don't have to do this long limit definition. Section 9.7 just follows, it follows 9.6, and it involves taking the derivatives of functions like natural log functions, e to the x functions, which we call exponential functions, because we have to deal with them all in a different way. So you need to ask yourself, how do these rules apply differently to each type of function? And um, I will I will say that the most important skill that you have to be able to develop is looking at a function and saying, I need to use this rule. Okay, I need to use this rule, and for this function, I need to use this rule: chain rule, product rule, quotient rule. And there's going to be a little bit of algebra skills that you need to have. So again, this week is the most important week of the semester. We have a test next week. Make sure you get any questions answered during our Google Meet sessions. Really make sure that you're doing this work for yourself and that you can do these quickly and efficiently. It's going to be very important, and we're going to use these rules for the rest of the semester. So make sure you have them down and let me know how I can help.